Using his body, Parando Umararo, 2 points. Inbounded by Gomez. And now back to Gomez, defended by 2 defenders, number 19. Looking to number, using his body, no good. Rebound. And a ball possession to Team Kipulan Lions. Inbounded by Jorquea, pass to Pino and back to Jorquea again. Pass to Pino, number 23, pass number 13, long 3 fire, and for 3 points, Jorquea. Number 16, number 29, Mancera, nagmamadali, no good. Number 17, no good again, and then a huge rebound by Mancera, falling away bucket. Good for 2 points, Mancera. And Jorquea setting a play again, dribbling the ball, pass to Paraldo, the import of Team Kipulan. Taking out to the corner, Pino Francis for 3, no good. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Mancera. Mancera attacking. Nice defense. Crossing to a traveling violation. Problema ko sa undergoal. Atong atras Sandra. Ang landing spot sa itong mga players. Payong lang. To the corner. Number 7. No good. Paraldo turning around. No good again. Rebound number 7. Using the glass. And a 2 points. By number 7. Gomez again. Still holding the ball. Still recovering the ball. What a nice dribble. Going to the corner. Number 17. Mancera. 2 points. Jorquea, pass to Paraldo, using his body, Umararo sa ilalim, good for 2 points, Paraldo.